Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back again to our channel, Mama Ann's Corner. This is my very first video for the year 2018 and what I'm gonna share to you is my different kind of journals. The reason why I'm gonna share this to you because you might have a lot of journals on hand that doesn't know what to do with it. At least I'll give you an idea and some of you may think more, but this is just the only thing that I can share to you what I have right now. Of course, the first one is this planner. As you can see, it's a very beautiful planner, and I think most people has a planner. And for me, I need planner because I'm a very forgetful person, and I have to jot all my appointments, all the important events, and even the birthdays that I know, so that I could be able to make cards and give encouragement to that person. That's one of the things that I have to really jot in a planner. And if you have seen my other videos, you remember that this planner, I bought it from Michaels online, and it is called the all type of season kind of planner, and you will see why it is called all season. And I will let you see what's inside, a peek what's inside for those who have not seen it. Of course, there's two calendar years, the 2018 and 2019, and there's also a section here where birthdays, you can jot down all the birthdays that you know, favorite monthly traditions if you had, the monthly goals, and currently what you are doing here. So if you have not doing these things in what is written in here, you can basically change it. And so here I just want to show you the different designs in each month. Of course, we know month of January is the new year, so that's why it says cheers to the new year. And month of February, the same thing, everything is the same except for the color and the design. And it says here love, because month of February is known as love. I forgot to mention it that every month has a monthly section, and it has also a daily section for the whole month. And for the month of March, it says here hello spring, do your thing. So each month. And April says happy Easter. Month of May says hello May, surprise me. So you see each month is stated what it is for. And month of June is summer. July is you can see a fireworks design in here because we know that it's a 4th of July thing, like a celebration of Independence Day is in July, so that's why it's the design is fireworks. And August says each moment of the year has its own beauty. September says I love fall most of all, so it's a fall. And October says happy Halloween because it's a Halloween month. And November says thankful and grateful because we know that this is the month where we celebrate Thanksgiving Day. And of course, the last month, which is the December, it's known of Christmas. That's why it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. So at least you have an idea what's inside. So cute, so pretty. So that's one of the things I have. And the second one is this bullet journal. And I don't know if you have some of you have no idea what is a bullet journal, but for me, this is where I jot down all the details, like it's a combination of all the things that you want to remember. It's a different thing from the planner because planner is appointments and everything, but this is where I put all my the memorable events that happen in my life. So each month, if I have a memorable event, I just jot it here. And I also put all my online purchases, and I put here the individual expenses that I really want to keep track, like my gasoline expenses, and even for our weight, so that when I told them that you became overweight, they would not argue me, because my son always argue me, oh, I'm still the same. But they would not argue me anymore because I jot down all our weight here and other things like if whatever things that you want to remember. So that's why you have just put in here. So I hope you have get an idea what's the difference between the planner and the bullet journal. And the cover is, I like the cover because it's transparent, as you can see. In it's a very thick cover, and I just bought this one from AliExpress, and it's just about $2. And it has already a ring in it inside, and I just made everything what's inside. See, different pictures, different designs in there. So that's one of the things I had. Another thing is this one. One of my favorite journal is, I called it diary and prayer journal. Yes, my prayer, I jot my prayer. I wrote down my prayer because I just want to while writing it, I can express more in detail what's really I am feeling, and just be able to read again the things that I've been writing for the past few days. And it's fun to be able to read and know your condition of your heart, if you are improving, if you are doing well or not. And so this is the type of journal where I can really express very well. Sometimes my prayer, I just talk to God, but most of the time I just write my prayer. And so that's why in the front I designed, it says here, delight yourself in the Lord, and down says, in the morning when I rise, give me Jesus. It's a reminder for me that I have to really go down and in prayer, because I need him every single day. I need Jesus in my life. So that's one of the things that I have as a journal. And I already started this one quarter of the last year, and since there's a lot of space still here, so I decided to just continue and just put some segregation, like put year 2018 here, so I can continue my prayer. So that's one of the journals that I have. Another thing is this one. This is a new one for me. It's called Bible journaling, and I have an idea. When I started my arts and craft, I have an idea that there's a Bible journaling and what is it all about. So for me, I segregate this time my favorite scriptures, or scriptures that helped me a lot. So I jot it down in here, in some of my prayer requests, and the thing that you are grateful of. That's what you have put to have put in here also, and even your favorite Christian songs, and I can put it also here. So anything about involve Bible and about Jesus, I have to put in here. So if you have seen this design, I got it from the journaling, Bible journaling paper pad, and just cut every small pieces in it and just put in here. And there's a scripture that says, if God is for us, who can be against us? It's Romans 8 verse 31. And I started a little bit for this one, a little of it. Like one of the scripture that I really like is this one. It's in Philippians 4 verse 13 that says, I can do all things through him who gives me strength, which is very inspiring for me, because I am sometimes we are very weak, and we have weaknesses, and through this scripture it will give you strength to do things, to overcome things and everything. So that's why I really like this scripture. And I have also a little note for reflection, a little prayer here for a start for 2018. And I also jot down here one of my favorite New Year wishes that came from some of my friends. And of course, this is just a design I just put in here. One of the paper pad, I rip it and just put some design. But actually, this is the message that one of my friends gave me during New Year. And I really loved it because it's really encouraging and uplifting. So that's why I put in here, because it really inspires you when you read it. So what it says here says, May 2018 be your best year. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you find comfort, may you have strength, may you have courage, may you find healing, may you have peace, may you have joy, may you have filled with loving kindness, may you be blessed every moment today and every day of 2018. So that goes to all of you who are watching also, that this 2018 would be filled with these wishes. Okay, so the next thing that I do is this one, what you are grateful for. So I wrote in here. So far this is what I've done with my Bible journaling, but I'm so excited doing this thing. So you can be able to see it where to find it, because you have this prayer book, prayer journal. So to find all your favorite scriptures, then you can just find in here. So that's why I'm excited for that. Another journal that you can do is this one. Like I use this one for my Sunday messages. Every Sunday when we go to church, I jot down all the messages, and even for the Wednesday Devo that we had, because I want to reflect it again. I want to review it and just be able to review all the notes. So that's why I have to have a note for that. So another thing is this one. I had a separate notebook for our new business that we've been doing, so I can jot down all the necessary things that we need and all the things that we need to do. So everything that involves business, it's here. Another thing is this one, a monthly expenses journal. I need to do this because it's not 100% accurate, but as much as possible, an estimated thing where you can be able to at least see where you stand. Like if you are overspending during the month, then you can overspend, then you can be able to adjust in some areas. So that's why this monthly expenses for me is very important, so it can help us financially. So you can be able to keep track if you have overspent or not. So that's one of the journal I have. The last but not the least is also this one, the travel journal, which is a very new one because we barely go and travel. So, but this year we have a plan to go back to the Philippines, and we will not mention when, so that it would be a surprise for some of our friends there. But it's already set, and I already put a little note here in our flight schedule and some of our schedules that we're going to do there. So that's one of the things I did in here. So I'm gonna use this one when we're there so that I can jot down all the events and all the memories we had in there. So that's it for everything. I think I have 8 all in all different kind of journals, and at least I have given you an idea, and you have idea more that you can suggest. Please comment below. I hope you like and subscribe for those who haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time, and have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.